Real power and love is not chasing, begging, or trying to control someone's emotions. It's becoming so grounded in your own worth that your absence speaks louder than your presence ever did. When you stop overgiving, overthinking, and overexplaining, something shifts. People begin to feel your value in silence. This is not about manipulation. This is about self-respect, emotional maturity, and becoming unforgettable by becoming unshakable. The moment you stop chasing attention, validation, or constant replies, something deep begins to shift inside you. You stop operating from a place of fear and start moving from a place of self-worth. Chasing keeps you stuck in a cycle where your emotions depend on someone else's response, and that energy slowly drains your confidence without you even noticing it. When you decide to pull back and focus on yourself, you begin to reclaim your power in ways that are not loud but deeply transformative. You start waking up with your own goals in mind instead of checking your phone for signs of interest or approval. You begin to realize that your time, your energy, and your attention are not something to be scattered on people who are uncertain about you. Instead, they become valuable resources you invest in your own growth, peace, and direction in life. This shift is not about pretending not to care. It is about caring about yourself more. When you stop running after people, you create space for self-improvement, emotional clarity, and stronger boundaries. You start developing habits that build your identity beyond relationships, fitness, learning, career progress, creativity, and mental strength. That independence changes your energy completely. People can feel when you are no longer desperate for their presence, and that quiet confidence naturally makes you more noticeable without effort. As you become less available for confusion and more committed to your own path, you begin to attract healthier dynamics. You no longer over-explain your worth or overextend your emotions to be understood. Instead, your silence becomes steady. Your actions become intentional, and your life starts moving forward with or without anyone's approval or attention. Constant communication may feel like closeness, but in reality, it often removes the space where attraction and curiosity naturally grow. When you are always available, always replying instantly, and always explaining yourself, you leave no room for the other person to wonder, reflect, or feel your absence. Emotional value is not built through excess access. It is built through balance, timing, and presence that is felt rather than forced. When you step back from over-communicating, you begin to shift the dynamic completely. Your words carry more weight because they are no longer diluted by repetition. And your silence starts to speak in ways your messages never could. People tend to take constant availability for granted over time, even if they don't realize it consciously. When you are always there, your presence becomes expected rather than appreciated. But when you become selective with your energy and intentional with your responses, something changes in how you are perceived. Your absence creates a pause in their routine, and in that pause comes reflection. They start to notice the space you used to fill, the comfort your presence provided, and the emotional consistency they may have overlooked. Silence, when used with self-respect and not as a tactic, becomes a powerful form of communication. It removes unnecessary explanations and forces clarity without pressure. Instead of chasing conversations or over-explaining your feelings, you allow your energy to settle. This creates a natural sense of mystery, not because you are hiding, but because you are no longer overexposed. In that space, your value becomes clearer, not louder, and your presence begins to feel more meaningful when it returns, rather than when it is constantly given away without limits. When your life is centered around purpose, everything about your energy changes in a way that cannot be ignored. You stop becoming someone who waits for attention and start becoming someone who builds, creates, and evolves every single day. Purpose gives direction to your emotions, structure to your time, and strength to your identity. Instead of measuring your worth through someone else's interest, you begin to measure it through your progress, your discipline, and your personal growth. This shift makes you emotionally stable because your happiness is no longer dependent on unpredictable behavior or inconsistent attention. A life filled with goals, passions, And meaningful routines naturally reduces emotional dependency. When your schedule is full of things that matter to you, you don't sit around overthinking messages, silence, or delays. Your mind becomes occupied with things that expand you instead of things that shrink your confidence. This creates a calm kind of attraction where you are no longer trying to be noticed, but you are naturally seen because of the energy you carry. People are drawn to individuals who have direction because purpose creates a quiet confidence that cannot be faked. Building an unstoppable life also means investing in your physical health, mental strength, skills, and future. Every small improvement you make adds to your self-respect and reduces emotional neediness. You begin to enjoy your own company because your life feels meaningful even without external validation. In that state, relationships stop being a source of survival and become a choice, not a necessity. This is where real attraction grows, because independence is one of the strongest forms of emotional power a person can have, and it completely changes how others perceive and respond to you. Emotional is one of the strongest signs of maturity and self-respect in any situation. When you are no longer reacting to every message, every silence, every delay, or every change in behavior, you step into a level of calm power that cannot be easily shaken. Most people lose their energy because they respond too quickly, too emotionally, and too intensely to situations that don't always require a reaction. But when you learn to pause, observe, and respond with clarity instead of impulse, you take control of your emotional state instead of letting circumstances control you. True emotional control does not mean suppressing your feelings. It means understanding them without letting them dictate your actions. You can feel hurt, disappointed, or confused, but you don't have to act from that space immediately. This creates a gap between emotion and reaction, and in that gap lies your power. Instead of chasing closure or demanding explanations, you allow time to bring clarity. Instead of sending messages driven by anxiety, you choose silence that protects your dignity. When you remain steady in situations that once triggered you, your entire presence changes. You become less predictable in a powerful way, not because you are playing games, but because you are no longer emotionally reactive. People start to notice that they cannot easily pull you into chaos or emotional extremes. This calmness naturally creates respect, even from those who may not fully understand your inner discipline. Over time, emotional control transforms how you see yourself. You stop feeling like a victim of situations and start feeling like the observer of your own life. This inner stability becomes more attractive than any temporary emotional reaction because it reflects strength, confidence, and deep self-awareness that stays consistent even when everything around you is uncertain. Self-respect is the foundation of every healthy connection, and without it, even strong feelings start to lose their value. When you don't respect yourself, you begin to accept behaviors that slowly weaken your confidence. Mixed signals, inconsistency, emotional confusion, and one-sided effort. Over time, this creates a pattern where you give more than you receive, not because you deserve it, but because you have not drawn a clear line around your worth. The turning point comes when you realize that how you treat yourself sets the standard for how others treat you. Respecting yourself means understanding your emotional limits and refusing to cross them for the sake of keeping someone in your life. It means not begging for attention, not tolerating disrespect disguised as affection, and not staying in situations where your presence is only valued when it is convenient for someone else. When you begin to honor your own time, energy, and emotions, you naturally start making different choices. You stop explaining your worth to people who consistently fail to see it, and you start walking away from dynamics that require you to shrink yourself just to be accepted. This shift is powerful because it changes your energy completely. Instead of seeking validation, you start standing in quiet confidence. You no longer feel the need to prove yourself constantly because your actions are aligned with your standards. People may come and go, but your boundaries remain firm, and that stability creates respect, even in silence. Self-respect also teaches you that peace is more valuable than attention. When you choose yourself consistently, You begin to attract relationships that are more balanced, more honest, and more emotionally stable. You stop negotiating your worth and start living from a place where your value is already understood by you first. And that changes everything about how the world responds to you. Letting go is often misunderstood as weakness, but in reality, it is one of the strongest forms of emotional power. When you release attachment to someone who is not valuing your presence, you are not losing them. You are choosing yourself. Many people hold on tightly out of fear of being alone, fear of regret, or hope that things will change without any real effort from the other side. But true strength comes when you stop forcing what is not flowing and start accepting what is not aligned with your peace. Detachment does not mean you stop caring overnight. It means you stop sacrificing your self-worth for uncertainty. You stop checking for signs, overthinking mixed behavior, and waiting for clarity from someone who keeps you confused. Instead, you redirect that energy back into your own life, your own healing, and your own direction. This shift creates emotional freedom because your happiness is no longer tied to someone else's inconsistency. When you finally let go, something powerful happens internally. You begin to see the situation with clarity instead of emotion. You realize how much energy was being drained, trying to hold on to something that was never stable. That realization alone brings peace, because peace is often found in acceptance, not in control. You stop negotiating for attention and start valuing your own emotional space more than temporary validation. And as you detach, your energy changes in a noticeable way. You become lighter, calmer, and more focused on your own growth. Ironically, this is often the point where people begin to feel your absence the most, not because you are trying to be missed, but because you are no longer overextending yourself to be kept. Letting go becomes not just an ending, but a return to your own power and emotional independence.